Good news for the market. Stock market is completely going crazy because of Jerome Powell. He just basically did a meeting and exactly what I told everybody what would happen on the 14th. Basically saying instead of him raising interest rates up to 75 basis points, is going to go to half of a percent, 50 basis points. And he basically confirmed that he's going to finally start slowing down inflation, and the market is reacting crazy to it. So that's good stuff for the market. Look at this. I'm on Moomoo right now. Omar, relax, please. Relax. All right, see, Omar is excited about the market. I'm going to do a separate video about XP because XP going crazy. 47% up. Neo is right under it. Netflix up 8%. Meta is up 6%, up to $116. Good thing I had a put option on that. Good thing I closed that out a while ago. Tesla is just hit 190 not too long ago. Mad I didn't submit my call option for that to hit 200 by the 23rd. Didn't hit submit on it, and the price changed right after it. Look at that. We got Coinbase finally reversed. Coinbase started off in the red. You got Apple. So everybody is getting in on this money in action today. The only company that's really not getting in on it is AMC. AMC is missing out on these games. It's bad to be an AMC holder today. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this in the last day. Crazy rally. That's a beautiful rally. All of those losses recovered just within like an hour. So what is it? Say the Dow gains 300 points as it grows optimism. Fed Chair Powell say smaller interest rate hikes could start in December. It is going to start in December. Now it'd be crazy if you raise it up higher, then everybody go crazy. But the problem is this rally is going to take away from the rally I said what would happen on the 13th or the 14th, because before nobody actually knew that they was going to do it. They assumed that he was going to do it. But now, since we have 2 weeks to mentally prepare for them to only raise it a half of a percentage, we're not going to get as strong of a rally once it's done because we already know, and the market is going to weigh that in. So that's good for the market right now. Look like we're going to have a Christmas rally, like I said. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to get some free stock, you might as well sign up for good old Moomoo. That's who I use to get all of my stocks and all the good stuff for. And you have like all type of trading activities, and you got news. Get all type of stuff on earning reports. I'm going to read this probably in my next video, XP earning report. That is a good one. Hit the subscribe button. I'm Lando Seth. Talk to you guys soon.